5 seconds to go. Start. PW25 is the doctor who is well known to PW1, while PW1 deposed that he did not actually accompany the deceased. PW25 did make a statement that both the police and public admitted the deceased. This witness did admit that exhibit P41 made a mention that the deceased was brought by PW1 and Ramesh. We may note both PW1 and PW2 did not speak about this. He had also stated that he did not know whether the contents of exhibit P41 as correct or not. He acknowledged the fact that he was well known to PW1 and his family. On a reading of the evidence of PW25, we do not find any existence of dying declaration in it. He had deposed that he did not remember whether the deceased told him that the accused attacked him and caused injuries. It is his further testimony that he had given exhibit P41 due to the persistence of the police. He did not remember whether police asked him to name the accused under exhibit P41. We have also perused exhibit P38, the case sheet maintained by PW25. Exhibit P38, though makes a mention about the accused, it did not speak about any statement being made by the deceased about the accused. It is interesting to note that PW25 had stated that he did not record the statement of the deceased and that there were many policemen and general public at the relevant point of time, which is again a statement contrary to the case put up by the prosecution. Thus, we are in agreement with the reasoning of the trial court for not accepting the evidence of PW25. The defense also examined one witness. This witness is a government doctor, being an expert in the field of surgery. He had clearly deposed that it would be impossible for the deceased to be conscious after suffering injuries as mentioned in exhibit P38, which is intestines coming out. The trial court correctly considered this evidence. Now, we may come to the reasoning of the High Court. We feel it is unnecessary on the part of the High Court to make such strong comments on the judgment written by the trial court when the evidence of PWs 1, 2 and 25 were not accepted by the trial court. There cannot be a dying declaration in existence. The dying declaration was put forth by the prosecution through the mouth of said three witnesses, as we find that the evidence led in by them was found to not be trustworthy. There cannot be any dying declaration either in fact or in law. Stop.